Lebe lebe, lebe lebe. From Africa, all the way to Kingston, Jamaica. You know I go do different. Dancing, man. Everybody.
Hello YouTube. Happy New Year's. This is my first video this year. I made a couple videos last year, and so I'm gonna do better this year. I have so many things in line that I actually kind of want to share, talk about. My hair. Currently, I have a wig on. I think this hair is Rosa Beauty. I'm not sure what type of curl it is. It's like some type of deep wave, deep curl, something like that. But yeah, I'm rocking that today because I'm getting ready to go to church, and that's what I have to do because my hair's not looking that right underneath it. So I'm rocking this for church today. But last week I made like a fun video. I colored my hair rose gold. I think I did initially went like brown, dark brown, then I went a little bit lighter, and then I kind of wanted to change. My hair's growing out. I have like dark roots now, so I added some Paul Mitchell not Paul Mitchell, but Guy Tang, my Identity line 7 rose gold, and it kind of looked coppery and I like it. Actually gonna insert the video like in here right now so you guys can see it.
You're pushing yourself on top of girls that wear puri bag.
Oh baby, I can't wait to have it in my kingdom.
Baby, give me goosey pimple with your cute little dimple. I know if it lie. This one it no be to chop and drop. It no be to point and chop. You know you bad. Eat my body they dance. My head they dance yo. Now him they knock am, he they knock am. My brain they dance yo. I go go. My heart they do me yo. I go go. Now him they knock am, he they knock am. Yeah, ganga ding ding. I go go. Get it ding ding. I go go. Now him they knock am, he they knock am. Oh, ganga ding ding. I go go. Get it ding.
So yeah, I did a very fun Permrod set, and I kind of liked it. And next time around, I think I'm gonna try. I've never done coils in my hair, and I think I'm gonna try coils in my hair. I want to try the curls line. Never used it, and so I'm gonna try the. I'm not sure, something in it, in some type of product in the curls line that I think I'm gonna use to do my coils. So stay tuned. But I am going to try and do a lot more color videos. That's what I'm more interested in. I make wigs, so I probably will make some wigs. I'll color them. I'll do some fun stuff. Last year was amazing. I just put myself out there, and a lot of amazing things have happened within my, I guess, hair journey, hair career. I think I mentioned in here in my very first video that I'm a hairstylist, and so I've gained more clientele. I'm building my clientele, and things are looking good. And so I'm going to try and share this journey with you all. I'm going to be trying to take some educational classes this year too that I can share with you all on YouTube. So I think this year is going to be an amazing year. Stay tuned. I got a new camera. I figured out how to do make my own backdrop yesterday. I went to Home Depot. I watched YouTube. YouTube is amazing. Like, besides God, YouTube is like the second God. And so I figured out how to make my own backdrop. I got a new camera. My old camera broke. This is a much better camera. I have the Canon T6i. I like it a whole lot. I think it's just gonna make my videos look better. So I'm looking forward to an amazing year with you all, and thank you so much for staying tuned. And I hope that you all will like my videos, comment on them if you need to, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Dancing, man. Everybody bust a dancing, man. Dancing, man. Everybody bust.